Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most amazing countries in the world. Finland, known for its high quality of life, stunning landscapes, and yes, extremely beautiful women. But that's just scratching the surface of what makes Finland one of the best countries to live in. Let's jump in. Number 1. High quality of life. Finland consistently ranks among the happiest and best countries in the world to live in due to its exceptional quality of life. Finnish society is built on a foundation of equality, fairness, and social welfare, which provides everyone with a good standard of living. The country's strong economy ensures low unemployment rates and high wages, while also supporting a robust social safety net. Work-life balance is a priority, with generous parental leave and vacation policies, allowing individuals to focus on family and personal well-being. Finland's low crime rate and high levels of trust in institutions contribute to the overall sense of security. Number 2. Education system. Finland's education system is highly regarded globally, known for fostering creativity, critical thinking, and equality. Education is free from primary to university levels, and teachers are highly respected and well-trained professionals. Unlike many other systems, Finnish education places less emphasis on standardized testing and more on student well-being and holistic development. Classrooms have small student-to-teacher ratios, allowing for individualized attention. Students start school at age 7, giving them ample time to develop socially before formal education. Finland's system nurtures a love for learning and has led to outstanding results in international assessments like the PISA rankings. Number 3. Healthcare. Healthcare in Finland is universal, providing high-quality medical services to all citizens regardless of their income. The public healthcare system is funded through taxes, ensuring that medical care is affordable and accessible. While private healthcare services are available, most Finns rely on the public system, which is known for its efficiency and effectiveness. Preventive care is a major focus, with the aim of catching and addressing health issues early before they become serious. Finland also emphasizes mental health, providing support services to promote emotional well-being. The country's healthcare system contributes significantly to its overall quality of life and longevity. Number 4. Natural beauty. Finland's natural landscapes are among the most stunning in the world, earning it a reputation as a nature lover's paradise. With over 180,000 lakes and dense forests covering much of the country, it offers endless opportunities for outdoor activities and relaxation. The 4 distinct seasons bring unique beauty, from snow-covered winters to bright, green summers. Finland is also one of the best places in the world to witness the Northern Lights, a mesmerizing natural phenomenon visible from the northern parts of the country. The long summer days with the midnight sun provide continuous daylight, perfect for exploring Finland's vast wilderness. Number 5. Safety. Finland is one of the safest countries in the world, with very low crime rates and a strong sense of community. The country's social and legal systems work efficiently to ensure law and order, making it a great place for individuals and families. Violent crime is rare, and people feel safe walking alone at night, even in cities. Trust in law enforcement is high, and Finland's government emphasizes transparency and fairness in its operations, which strengthens the population's confidence. Finland's safety extends to health security as well, with excellent public health services and emergency response systems. Number 6. Equality and gender balance. Finland is a global leader in gender equality and women's rights, consistently ranked high for its progressive policies and balanced representation. Women in Finland have equal opportunities in all aspects of life, from politics and business to education and healthcare. Finland was one of the first countries in the world to grant women the right to vote, and today, many women hold key leadership positions. The country's commitment to gender equality ensures that men and women share responsibilities in both the workplace and home. Equal pay, parental leave, and anti-discrimination laws are just a few examples of Finland's progressive approach. Number 7. Beautiful women. Finnish women are admired worldwide not only for their natural beauty but also for their intelligence, independence, and confidence. They tend to have a minimalist approach to beauty, often focusing on health, fitness, and natural looks. Finland's strong culture of gender equality empowers women, giving them the freedom to pursue careers and personal interests without societal pressure. Many Finnish women are highly educated, with equal opportunities in all fields of work. The country's health-conscious lifestyle, combined with access to outdoor activities and fresh air, contributes to both physical well-being and the radiant, natural beauty often associated with Finnish women. Number 8. Sustainability and eco-friendly living. Finland is a global leader in sustainability and eco-friendly living. The country places a strong emphasis on protecting its natural environment through various conservation efforts, promoting recycling, and utilizing renewable energy sources. Many Finnish cities have adopted policies to reduce carbon emissions and create green urban spaces. Public transportation is well developed and eco-friendly, and cycling is encouraged. Finland also promotes sustainable forestry, ensuring that its vast forests are maintained and preserved for future generations. Finns take pride in living in harmony with nature, and eco-consciousness is deeply embedded in their way of life, influencing everything from everyday habits to government policies. Number 9. Outdoor activities and sports. Finns are passionate about outdoor activities and sports, which are an integral part of the country's culture. The long, snowy winters offer opportunities for skiing, ice fishing, snowshoeing, and snowboarding, while the brief, warm summers are perfect for hiking, cycling, swimming, and boating. Finland's vast natural areas, including its many national parks, provide the perfect backdrop for these activities. The country's love for sports extends beyond outdoor recreation, with a strong tradition in ice hockey, one of Finland's most popular sports. Outdoor activities not only promote physical health but also contribute to mental well-being, helping Finns stay active and connected to nature. Number 10. Sauna culture. Saunas are a quintessential part of Finnish culture, deeply woven into the everyday lives of its people. There are over 3 million saunas in Finland, a staggering number for a country of just 5.5 million people. The sauna is more than just a place to relax. It's a social and spiritual experience where families and friends gather to unwind and rejuvenate. Traditionally, saunas were used for bathing and even giving birth, symbolizing cleanliness and health. Today, saunas are found in homes, offices, and public spaces, and they offer physical and mental health benefits, including improved circulation, stress relief, and relaxation. So, there you have it. Finland is a country that truly has it all, from beautiful landscapes and a high standard of living to equality, safety, and of course, beautiful women. If you're thinking about where to live, Finland should definitely be at the top of your list. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos about life in incredible places around the world. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite thing about Finland.